Hello guys, this is 2013 Toyota Sienna, and I want to show you how to like fix the cooling fan not turning on. So basically I took out the cooling fan. It's very easy. Take this one out and pull it out. Just be careful. They have the like transmission coolant light right here, transmission oil cooler light right here. And when it's out, it's already like this. To take it out, you need a 8mm socket right here. Because like I took it out, so I just want to make the video for you guys. Yeah, but anyway, take it out, and you see you need to take the nut off right here. There are 3 nuts. I took out one already. Okay, it's all pretty easy. The wire right here, just push it down. Okay, yeah, it's basically like this. This one I just reviewed it. So the reason this one doesn't work because so many dirt inside here. So to open it, you see they have a bracket right here. Yeah, just take it off. You hold it like this. You use the screwdriver flathead. You do like this, right? And you turn. Okay, it's come out. Okay, and just do like this for all of it. Okay, look. Oh, you see? Yeah, this dirt makes the motor. This dirt make the motor is not good contact, so that's why it doesn't work. Just clean it off, and you see the shimmy right here. Yeah, you have the bush right here. Just make sure it's still there, not mixing something, and you're good to go. And just clean it up and put it back. All right, when you put it back, it's go like this. So you take this bit first, and you take this bit, try to fit this one through the spring right here. Okay, it's fit. You see, now use the cap and and put it on. You have the cap right here. I just clean it. This hammer, I use this head and this head. Try to hammer it back. Yeah, just check it. No check, no vibrate. It's good to go. And now you should test it with your electricity. I do this one. Use jump cable and use this wire. Yes. I plug this wire right here through the white wire. Yeah, you see. And I use this one to clamp this one. Alright. And now I just try to contact it. And it should throw tight right here. See, it works. See, it works. So before you lock it back, right? You lock it back, you still can rotate like this. So make sure when it's go to the mouth, it should be like this. See the wire right here. Yeah, when you come back, the wire should be like this. If you do the wrong way, maybe the wire return to do this way. It's not good, so just make sure it's go like this.